Once you come out of customs, look to your right, and there's going to be a train right there. So you can take the JR train right into Tokyo Station. After you get down your second set of escalators, you're going to follow the Starbucks and then take a left on the back side. Follow the sign for JR. On your left, there will be 2 kiosks for JR. It says, "Welcome, Suica." It's red with white flowers. I'll show you in a second. And then they do have a ticket office to the right if you don't want to do that kiosk. All right, so avoid the kiosk because there you have to prepay it, okay? And then it goes through whatever machine it takes off. So if you don't have enough, then you're gonna be screwed. And if you have too much, you don't use it, you're gonna be screwed. So just go to the JR cashier cage, tell them where you want to go, they'll get you a ticket, and then you go. So if you're going into Tokyo, you're gonna take the Narita Express. It's on track 1, at least right now. Just right through the JR where you pay, down the escalator, and it's just super simple. Well, we have made it to Tokyo Station. It took a little over an hour to get here. We had to stop and wait for a train that was coming in the alternate direction, but we are here, so let's go check out Tokyo Station. I haven't been here, but I've been to several other train stations throughout Japan, and what's cool is they always usually have a mall attached to them because they can't go up anymore out, so they go down, and pretty much every train station has some sort of a mall. It's really cool. nuts. But we came in on level 5 basement and had to come up to ground level. So it probably took us about 7 minutes to get from the train to outside. It's that big.